What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial is designed for complete beginners looking to get started with Cursor AI, a powerful code editor that enhances coding efficiency. By following the steps, you'll learn how to utilize Cursor AI effectively, which can significantly speed up your coding process and improve productivity. Visit the Cursor AI website and create an account if you haven't already. Download the Cursor AI application compatible with your operating system. Install the application by following the on-screen prompts. Launch Cursor AI and log into your account. Once in the application, take a moment to explore the interface. Identify the main components of Code Editor where you will write your code. The sidebar contains file management options and project settings. Toolbar offers tools for running code and debugging. Click on the New Project button. Choose your preferred programming language from the drop-down menu. Name your project and select a location to save it. Click Create to set up your new coding environment. In the Code Editor, start typing your code. Use Cursor AI's autocomplete feature to speed up coding. As you type, suggestions will appear. You can select them to insert code snippets quickly. Familiarize yourself with the syntax highlighting for better readability. Access Cursor AI's built-in AI assistant by clicking the designated button in the toolbar. Ask for code suggestions, explanation for errors, or helping with debugging. Experiment with commands like explain this code or suggest improvements for enhanced learning. By following the steps, you now have a foundational understanding of how to use Cursor AI effectively. You've set up the application, explored its interface, created a project, and learned to write and test code. As you continue to practice and utilize the AI features, you will find your coding speed and efficiency dramatically improving. For further learning, consider exploring advanced features and integrations Cursor AI may offer.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.